Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, we're going to be looking at day number 14 of the Birchbox Advent Calendar. Okay then, so inside today's Advent Calendar we have a Lord & Berry eyeliner in travel black. Now when I looked up the price of this, I found eyeliner pencils were around £10, £10.40, something like that. However, now I'm looking at it and I'm thinking it's saying travel black. Is it perhaps a smaller one and they're usually longer? Have to look into that. Anyway guys, it's just your usual eyeliner kind of pencil and it's in your traditional black. Now I will scooch on a little closer and I will pop some on. Now I have already got makeup that I've been wearing all day, so bear with me, but I'm just going to place a little on top just to see what it looks like. So you're much closer now. My lipstick's very vibrant, I do apologise. Anyway, so this is the eyeshadow crayon. Eyeshadow crayon? No, it's not. It's an eyeliner crayon. Anyway, that's the eyeliner crayon. It's just, like I say, it's your standard kind of black eyeliner crayon. Most of them look the same. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a little bit just along the upper lash line just to kind of see what it looks like. So anyway, I'm going to move it a little closer and I'm going to use my camera viewfinder thing as my mirror, so bear with me if I'm looking over there. I know the camera's there, but the camera's there, but I'm looking here. Okay. There we are in focus now. I don't wear eyeliner often, so I don't particularly have a technique. I'm probably doing this wrong, sorry. So anyway. Okay, so straight away I can tell it's a really nice black. It's a decently pigmented black, and it's gone on really easily actually, so I'm happy with that. I mean, I don't know if I put it on the best, but I'm happy with how it looks. So I'll pop a little bit on this eye and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, so I don't know if this eye went on quite as well as this one did, but it's quite hard to do looking in your camera's viewfinder. I probably should have grabbed a mirror for that one because you don't need to watch me putting it on twice. But anyway, I quite like it. I'm just going to zoom you back out and I'll sign off. So guys, that was our day number 14, our eyeliner crayon from Lord & Berry. And I actually quite like it. I mean, I'm not a big fan of wearing eyeliner a lot, and I tend to use a lot of the more gel pen type ones at the moment. Gel, I don't know if they're actually gel, more inky. And so I tend to use them more than a pencil, but I quite like how easily that went on, so I'll probably be giving it a bit more of a try. And I suppose darker eye looks are quite fun in the winter, so it's a nice little addition to our calendar. So then guys, if you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because there'll be more unboxings coming your way of the Advent Calendar and many other things. So I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.